Thanks, man. Cheeky, easy, man. Interesting to see Mo Shabs because he's got an R32 GTR running 2000 brake horsepower. Now he's got a road legal R33 running over 1000 brake. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Okay, yeah, bro. Wow. Mad. Follow him up, man. MashaAllah. He's a proper sleeper, this is. MashaAllah. R888. Madness Tata GTR, this is. Wow. That's what you call an exhaust. Man. Like Smokey Nagata stuff, man. It sounds crazy as it is. Jeez. It grips, doesn't it? Wow, man, it's I like the dash.
Yeah, this is dash.
That is beautiful. Nice and quiet in here. Oh. Nice. You got trust in this car, haven't you?
I've had enough of them to know what they like.
Does it spin up how old?
4-wheel driving. As you can adjust on, you can adjust how much 4-wheel drive you want.
Oh, sick.
Make it
sick,
more power to the front, more power to the back.
Yeah. And it's so subtle in here, it's unbelievable. And yeah, this would rip pretty much a lot of the cars now.
Yeah.
I've never been in the R33 GTR, that's my first time.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I'm like, and how you were going, I was shocked. I didn't.
Grip was okay.
Yeah. I just didn't think it would grip like that ever. I've never been terrified in a car before, man, but that, man. Whoa! I can't believe it grips. It sounds beautiful.
Put the power down, and that's the main thing.
That's exactly, man. Like, I can never put the power down. Wow, man, this is something else. This is. I can't believe how much it grips. There's zero lag. Whoa!
It has been happening. It comes back though.
Yeah. MashaAllah, bro, man, that was exceptional. That was. I'm stuck for words. I am. The roads are still a bit damp and it's still gripping. Not once did it spin. Man. God, man. MashaAllah, bro. That was mad. I want a GTR. I once did it spin and he was draping it in every gear and he slowed down fast. I honestly feel like I want a GTR after that. I really want a GTR.
You know, you got grip on it.
Yeah.
One flick you can make a rear wheel drive, one flick you got 4-wheel drive.
Is that, I got it?
Yeah.
Bro, thank you, man, because you've changed me already. Honestly, all I want now is a R33 GTR now. That's all I want now.
But all around they're much nicer cars, man.
Better than 32s. Yeah.
32s light as.
Yeah, faster. Apparently
faster.
these are better for highways. As in like long
They're more stable because they got more weight. Like the other, the R32.
Yeah.
That one, like, see how you pull this, you stay straight.
Yeah.
That one, the sash got more twist on it because it's much lighter.
Yeah.
If you put the control on 0, it will spin a bit. Just a touch, then 4-wheel drive kick back in.
What does that controller do?
You can adjust how much power you want to the back to the front. I got a 60 in the back, 40 in the front.
Mad. Yeah, man, thank you, welcome. I know my goal already now. I thought it's going to be the exact same thing. I thought it's going to spin, you can't grip, it's hard to drive. That's still impressive, man, for a street car. The turbo, it's got a lot more power.
A lot more power, yeah. Turbo's got a lot more power. Yeah, turbo's got a lot more power.
And all the
I had an RA and all that, but it's alright, but this is a lot more fun, man.
Yeah, mashallah.
Makes you happy driving in it.
If you're saying that.
That's why, you know what, today I pulled it, I go, you know, let me just message him and see what
Yeah, do it, man. I'll come out, man. Yeah, bro, love to, man. How quiet it is. We can actually have a conversation. We can't even talk or anything in the skyline.
That time driving it.
Wow.
The second time since I've changed the turbo and everything.
Wow. Oh, you still got to tune it as well, so I can only imagine.
He's only got a little tweak on it at the moment.
900. Wow. How nice it is. Look at grips. Boy. Yikes, man, take it easy, man. Looks so good as well. Power tune.
Yeah, they're cheap and cheerful. Like the one that got my other car, the hand track one, they're like £1,200.
Yeah. But I'd love to get something like that.
500 quid, they're not bad.
Next level. Honestly, it's just
stable.
Rough road as well. Even on the motorway.
None of straight road.
Exactly, motorway would be even more smoother. Yeah.
Yeah, like you got third gear, it hooks up.
Yeah.
But if you ain't got first and second gear, you already lost the race.
Yeah, 100%.
Like, especially against a new car, the box,
like
a BM and stuff like that.
Yeah, I always lose against them. TST, honestly, it's flimsy compared to this. Honestly, it does. It is. I understand completely now. The whole car is different.
Time for you to upgrade.
I'm not even thinking about that.
Years now, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it is time, man. It is time, man.
You want to part with it?
Yeah. No, bro. No. Honestly, I can't wait.